Having registered the RHEL identity management deployment with Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Console through the Directory and Domain Services interface, the next step to having new virtual machines automatically join this domain is to build a client image containing the IPA HCC client RPMs. So let's head to the images service. And here we see one blueprint and some already built images for the server image, the IDM server. We need to create a new blueprint for client VMs. We'll use RHEL 9 and the x86-64 architecture. We're going to send the images to our AWS account. And note that the domain join feature will work just fine if you're bringing up machines in your own infrastructure rather than a cloud provider or even bare metal, as long as the images you're launching have the IPA HCC client RPM and those machines can register with Subscription Manager and connect to Insights. We'll connect to the AWS account, which was established through the sources interface, and the image will initially be sent to the default region and it can then be copied to further regions. It's essential to enable the automatically register and enable advanced capabilities checkbox. This is what will ensure that the launched machine connects to Subscription Manager and to Insights. We can select the defaults for compliance and file system configuration. We'll use the latest content rather than a snapshot. We need to enable EPEL 9. At the moment, the IPA HCC RPMs are only in EPEL. However, they are coming to RHEL in the near future. Now we'll search up the IPA HCC client package and include that in the image build. This requires IPA client, so we don't need to explicitly add the IPA client package. So we proceed to the final steps of the image blueprint definition. We'll make the blueprint name IPA HCC client or RHEL 9 IPA HCC client, and let's create the blueprint. The blueprint has been created. Let's now build an image. And this will take a few minutes. After some minutes, the image build is complete and we're ready to launch instances, but we shall save that for another demo.